people asked about my bike and what the build is, and well, she's pretty bad. It's a Coleman BT200, and she's been reinforced just fucking everywhere you can really think of. Yes, these are Harley crash bars, highway pegs, whatever. These gussets come straight down, sweep down here. This is added, that's added. The frame is cracked. You can kind of see it. Maybe. You can kind of see that crack in there. Running down. It runs down right around here. And the frame's cracked on both sides because of a wreck that I got into. When I went into a guardrail, it snapped right up into here and cracked the frame. And so that all knuckles together. You can see the crash bars come up to here. There's a piece of rebar that's in there on both sides that knuckles it together. And then this motor mount is a work in progress. It's already cracked. It's already had issues. You come back further along the frame, you can see no chopping, no stretching, nothing like that. That's just rub. This is all added. Yes, I'll show you that in a second. This is 1/4 inch thick. This is in case I ever come across a swing arm that I would be able to fit in there, and it's some DOT tires. So that's what that is for. And then because of, just frequent, damage and bumps and trails and constant highway use, the beating on the frame kind of adds up and twisted it a little bit. And so what these do is these gave me that stretch. See, they go right over where the tab was, and they're perfectly in line. So I didn't raise the bike up or drop it, anything. It's right where it needs to be. It's just got a 2-inch longer wheelbase. Brakes, yeah, they're drum. They're terrible, but they work when you need them to. My fender, because my forks are shot, keeps fucking bottoming out. Bending it up. Got an Alpine fog light. Oh yeah, I cut that fender myself. It was off of a old rusty wrecked Harley. These handlebars came out of a junkyard. That's just a piece of angle iron that's welded on there. That came off of a generator mount. Saddlebags. Everybody knows the saddlebags. Everybody knows my saddlebags. Can't forget the P91 minis. They're kind of hard to see on the road. Okuda. Slow Boys Racing Las Vegas. Give them a shout out. Mortician Unlimited. They're in. That's homeboy Joe Rooks right there. Gotta have the semicolon cookies. Big Shot Sticker Co. Somebody talked shit on your welds too the other day, homie. Don't talk shit no more. Patriot Cycle. That's one of the first sponsors that we ever had on this trip right there. So, I know their sticker's pretty worn in, but that's the first sponsor we ever had right there. 334-766-0328. Yeah, anyways, that's Mike Smith and Darren Frazier. They both own half the company. Floyd Motors. Sorry, a little stone. Floyd Motor Shop. That's where we rolled the bike into the store. Into Streets Minis. We with Jose right now. Always inside. Mini Moto. We haven't met up with them yet, but S15Ts. That's Paul. Yuba Local. That's homeboy James and his buddies. All Balls Racing. Haven't been with them, but got to at some point. We got pretty much everybody. This is a bicycle tank. Got my Pro Taper grips. Yeah, this is a World War II one versus the 2 Vietnam one. And yeah. So it's kind of rusted because I've had stuff welded to it, but this was all chrome. This is when you saw that video going down Highway 101. These were welded onto the top of this, and that's why those are like that. But now they're welded down here, reinforced here. That's a shell right there. It's just covered up. That's a shell. Which you can see they've got negative space, and getting under here is, I'll show you an example. Greasy. Tires wear evenly, very evenly. Which is not bad. That's just a longboard wheel. It's on F 20x7, and that's a Max Auto 19x7. And then there's the heart. There's the bike. There's her heart. And just for example, there's a fucking truck next to that. Yeah. That's the motor that goes in that bitch. 420 cc's, Duramax, 16 horsepower, 23 foot-pounds of torque, genuine 28 millimeter Mikuni carburetor, tuned for the highway, enrichener, not a choke. Dragonfly buddy. Yeah, can't forget about Dragonfly buddy right there. Hey, what's up, dude? I'm not sure how long he's been there. Disabled governor, not deleted, still stock arm and everything. It's never been pulled out. Stock kill switch, and oil sensors still rigged up. The ram air is yeah, it looks pretty bad, but that's because it was an old exhaust pipe. Looks like there is some shit back there though. Might have to clean this out soon. But carb looks good. You know what I mean? It's just old. Got some beating to it, you know what I mean? Pull start exploded. Clutch exploded. Sort of. Almost though. Got a small block exhaust pipe sawed in half, welded to the big block downstem, and you can see right there the size difference from that to that. See, boom, boom, boom. Ha! Gotcha. Oh shit! But yeah, simple, effective. 3.6 to 1 gear ratio, so fucking hauling ass, slowest shit to get there. But yeah, that's my setup. That's my bike. She weighs probably about 320 pounds when I take all the gear off of her. So there you go. there you have it. She's a fucking monster. She's a little fucking monster. And she's a lot bigger than y'all expect, really honestly. Y'all think it's a mini bike.